girl be I see a friend in Madeline Love. No money Madeline Love. Madeline Love. She be that girl where Shatawale can't post them say he be in cousin. Madeline Love. Shatawale can't post Madeline Love for in WhatsApp. They tell Ghanaians he be in cousin. She be do SM for life. For life is our life. No, Madeline Love. Cousin, you know be your cousin. You dey chop Shatawale on the low. Madeline Love. You see Ghana. How you go feel respect woman? If women dey there, so you get girl. Where your girl? Somebody they calm your girl in body like Madeline Love, a shower for minister. Now you Madeline Love, you this girl. If them go talk you your matter, the things where you do. You that girl Madeline Love, if they go talk your matter, but you your father in friends if you sleep like them. You be homebreaker, Madeline Love. You the Madeline Love girl, you be homebreaker, you dey break homes. So you if they go talk your matter self, you say you know secret. You can't sit down. Nam one chop this, nam one chop that, nam one chop this and that. Now you Madeline Love waka say with Jimmy and you Ghana na Jimmy and you can't sit there. They open your mouth say you dey studio plus Shatawale where Michi come. She can't come out himself. She chop Shatawale for your face. Where she invite you say can't join threesome. Where you know they want to do because you don't want your own. And you ferry Madeline Love. Who about to say who say that somebody who can't carry you say he dey go marry you. Madeline Love and ye Jimmy you anka satina she share video na wo ye nye kwase a trend na wo pair. Madeline Love about to say who about to say you two say you go school. You finish SS, you know say you know no book so you go turn your designer. Who about to say who say? Who say for where your designer? Your design or whatever. Madeline Love and ye Jimmy ni nyansa na unibia. Madeline Love. You can't sit and say Michi chop Shatawale in front of you for studio. Where she invite you threesome. But you know they like threesome. You want after Shatawale chop them, make them chop you. You they like one-on-one. So you they chop Shatawale, you they jump you. But here you then Shatawale. Munkwasi accept you can't tell Ghanaians say Shatawale be your cousin. No, you dey chop am behind Michi. You dey chop am. But me self Ghana self way. Nana Akufo-Addo self I'm for blame am. Nana Akufo-Addo. Namwa, wawia yesika millions of dollars. Namwa, he kill one of brothers. He kill one of sisters. Namwan day. Nana Akufo-Addo. You tell us say you dey go bring Namwan then jail Namwan. So you tell us Nana Akufo-Addo. Also ukako chi Namwan. Every Dubai phone sem, the abreye Ghanaians, asizi ni asset ni bibia owo na unton na first scan entua back na financial jail. Na namwa no so oninam ho odasi sani artist. Yesika kakra no so aka no, ya antua ye. Yeso a na namwa no so oninam ho no others who dear girls. Ghana dani some crofun bi lo nye juma. Nana Akufo-Addo nye de o kachire ye ni o. Na one day Dubai kwa kochi na mo aba be season sika atuamo na ewia de ni be ko jail. Na mo da su ni na mo sign artist da su dear girlfriends na ni yesika na kan yesika no ye ntua ye. Kakra no so aka na ese ye gien for my no majai na mo ni na mo no odidi girls. Odidi egese Ghana enye krofun anka weni na besi because na Akufo-Addo waji kakra na mwan be court yesi na mwan ebo who inti ya adjoin case no wakeke no obo who is coughing so ya adjoin case no na oba fun ti say Madeline Love who Madeline Love who amesina and a Michi call Whiskey ho ewa hotel oni donor or Banakasan din the donor. Madeline Love who the way Jimmy cry too much, who the way Jimmy back. I no go blame you. You Shatawale, you see. Shatawale, you get money. But Michi anka say, yeah. Hey, iti, Michi, all you did is that Michi, God this, God that, you do this, you do that, you do. Michi, trade fair no I ever Obi bet matter trade fair. Michi, you give me broken heart. I swear, Michi, your story they talk me, I they listen to that minister of Ashao for that motherly love. I know they won't believe. But Michi, you give me broken heart. I swear. Michi, the way me I they believe you, me, I they still say, I know you the time where you be black. You understand me? Where you use the carotone and the cochlear way, you can make a little bit Michael Jackson. Yeah, Michi, me I they believe you. I know say you will be hardcore the way Jimmy Kakra, but me say nyansani de Kakra suom. Na Michi so obi be dada crap. Sa number one shego gurugu sa apache no ni na mo Michi, you give me broken heart. No so better trade fair amount. Hey Michi, pay swimming pool, you dey like trade fair. Na Michi who dey me pese me GD, Michi I'm for call you, Michi inbox me make I talk to you. Say na mo an catch us so better trade fair amount. And ODD who ni beka trade some there Michi. Hey Michi, why mama ferry? I swear to God. Now trade fair, we better matter trade fair. Government and public property. Government and domestic and public property. Now Michi you who are masa apache when in 96 Stonebwoy Shege Gurugu Sodongo 11:30 12:30 Stonebwoy in Lexum. Catch us up better trade fair amount. Michi now you open the tonga. Michi, so confused are the hustle for you, Michi. Michi, you know, since you are the pass snow inside. Hey, Michi, hey. But Shatawale said, you say be fucking guy, you be my brother, but you be fucking guy. You Shatawale, I get money. Eh? You Shatawale, you get money. As Namwan tell Michi say go buy trade fair, then you two go promise Michi say go buy Kolegono. The Kolenu way they there no. You two go promise Michi say it be levels. Yeah, even though Namwa he still want money, he get money past you. As he promise your girl Michi say he go buy trade fair. Then you two go promise Michi. Me too I go buy you the Kole. The Kole where he did there no. He pass trade fair. Oh. You know the benefit where the Kole they give. Once Kole if he be CEO, if he be river, only God know that Kole lagoon where they see then. First of all, Kole he be river, he be CEO. Me I don't know what I could call him. Well, second of all, Kole. If they come with benefit, if they smell the whole neighborhood, if it smell, you don't go fit sit down. You go fit buy Kole. You know, see Nana Akufo-Addo go say they want to do some project for the Kole Lagoon, the Kole Lagoon top. You know, see. So you, Namwa Michiwa there, the slappies you go chop. You that Shege Gurugu. Is it why I know they like Stonebwoy? I tell you, anybody will go see I be a party for roadside. Don't help that people. God know why he makes Stonebwoy, then Namwa, then Ten Alanko, Shege Gurugu, Shege monkey, so don't go 12:30, 11:30, them are leg. It be like this, kangaroo, no matter how they jump. You can't collect one money, Nana Akufo-Addo no jail you. Becca Pam, na Becca Pam. Becca me do ya rough. Becca, you the shape where you get, where you Becca, you with the sister you are well educated. Becca, you can't tell you how much if it be true or say then hey, so make I tell you people, threesome, Master, don't insult me. Me, it no be me I talk. It no be me. Nini Moga say, boss, why you want chop Michi? Why if you can say a day at the hustle for abroad? Sake of Michi. Sake of Michi where a day at the bath horses, at the bath old wood. Michi, me, you know, beside I don't want marry him. I want chop one pair for the record's sake. Make I prepare my CV inside. You don't understand? I want chop, make I prepare my CV. See, make I tell you something. You see, Mayweather, Mike Tyson, all these kind of boxers where you did there. No? If you want to be champion, you know, if you fight top ranking fighters, so you must for chop Belo. Then you go fight better fight. Then you go chop Belo. All this you they repair your CV inside. Me too, I want to take repair. Say in the near future, if me to the talk say I chop this, I chop that. It go make my CV look nice. You know, we say I want marry Michi. No, me too, I want chop some. Right, but if Namwa Shege Gurugu Apache way Namwa if fan pass me. Shatawale self. Me make I tell you, me I no go first of all the reason why I no go feel kiss Michi say one. Michi she kiss Shatawale. Shatawale be my brother. Me the Shatawale for life is for life. Shatawale, it be my brother. But the thing be say, me, I won't accept. Number one, did you kiss Michi? Because Michi, she kissed Shatawale. Oh. Michi, she kiss Shatawale. So any girl where you go fit kiss Shatawale, where you go fit kiss that girl. Well, me, I just the talk. If you verse me, I'm just, you know, be me I talk. That shower minister, motherly love, she in father in friends or she chop them. Motherly love, she know they shy you. That girl no ni papa down for 4 crap we did she should be home breaker. She should break up. Motherly love, she dey lie. That girl motherly love no. That girl motherly love, if she come close to you, where you get better boyfriend, I dey beg sack that motherly love. You know sack that girl. She go chop your boyfriend in father, chop your boy. Hey, she go drain them her soul out. Yeah. You dey ask me say if I get Michi, I go chop. You get Michi, you no go chop. You get Michi, you no go chop. Hey, Moku put aside say she kiss Shatawale. Put that one aside. Take the kissing out. Be honest with yourself. Take the kissing out. You get Michi, you no go chop. Me, I go chop only one. Just to prepare myself, make I see. But the gun people, make I tell you something. Shatawale indeed big. Oh. You see, motherly love for talk for the video inside say, it be Michi, she brings some girl be where she can suck Shatawale in dick where the video can circulate, you know. You dey remember that video? I go feel set for that video, make a play give you. George and Perry say you are not serious, brother. I'm not serious. What do you mean I'm not serious? You come here, you see how they laugh. I'm not serious, say what? Make a from my face, go see say I'm serious. Tell me say I'm not serious. What do you mean I'm not serious? You get me, you no go chop. You George and Pedro, you dey UK, you dey sell Gucci, Louis Vuitton. Today if Pedro, me I know you be my brother. For life is for life. If then tell you say bring 2 Gucci bag, then shoes, then glasses can't chop Michi, you go bring them. Me then you all we know, we all they like Tala. Me then you all where that shower people dey. And Pedro, you know all that shower connects for Accra. Yeah, George and Pedro make you know make we get one our body for year. Don't make me talk secret. Don't make me talk secret. You know me than you where we know that shower place. Me than you we know. So you dey there they tell me say, hey, me too I want. Listen say you I want chop some. But just say me I no go fit kiss Michi. The only thing be say I go want chop. But the kiss with me I no go fit kiss Michi because she kissed Shatawale first of all. You understand me? Somebody say you go chop too. You see, everybody want chop. Issues them. You see, make I tell you. You see that girl where she can't suck Shatawale in dick, you know, where she you see that video the way they suck Duke. Where they no suck Shatawale, you know reach in Tesla, start the mourn. Please make you cap live some. Me, I don't know what kind of English self way they write. The rest say na balaba. Yeah, na balaba. You understand me? It don't be me I talk. Everything me I talk for here. Motherly love, ministers of Ashau, it be she talk. So according to motherly love, when you check the record, Michi, she chop whiskey because she say as Benna Boy come, where Shatawale go meet Benna Boy, that girl Donna, no, she be a Salandan girl. That girl she know the fish. She say they call her Doha or Do. They call her Donna. That girl she be my childhood girlfriend. Na kokomlemle she dey. Kokomlemle. That girl where she dey see herself boss chick. She be a shower fit in collaborate. Ni I say Wi-Fi owner they come. No, I know they shout. You know, see today my voice dey low. The Wi-Fi owner I know they hear me. If the Wi-Fi owner hear me, no, you go off am. You don't understand me? Somebody say your teeth. If my teeth self, I no go fit kiss them. I find pass Shatawale, me tre. If my teeth self, I no go fit kiss her. I find pass Shatawale. If she kiss crocodile like Shatawale, me she no go fit kiss me. Onya me you self, I find pass you. Kwashia animal bomb picking, kolobi. You weigh the shit for crabba inside. The money they can't pour for outside. Onya toto me you know yo. Loso ranking. You know all the Ashao people. Cause she a Loso ranking. You the Ashao girl where she did Vienna. Where she add your money give you take buy plane ticket come day Europe you dey steal people that phone you pay the Ashao woman finish. Make you not make her start a talk secret. If you do, I go reveal everybody's secret. Ashao people me than you. You Loso ranking. Before you go come Europe. The ticket where you buy. That Ashao girl, I know the one Meshi name. I know the one Meshi name. She add money give you, you buy ticket, take come Europe. You pay that girl. You Loso ranking, you pay that girl finish. You dey can't dare say, I know all Ashao people. Loso ranking, wale wahe. Don't make a change the topic for here. Don't make a change topic for here. Wale wahe. Respect yourself. If you guys say we don't know, first we can't force allegation. Levels money they here, levels money they talk, young people they talk. Everybody know this information. Everybody know this information. If you guys say I don't know, Ashao girl, she be gangaria. If I mention her name right now, mama self go know, hey. No, I don't talk mama, it be mistake. I don't talk, if I say mama go know, no, it no be mama, it no be the vice president mama, oh. It no be the vice president, it be mistake where I say mama self go know, no, mama no go know that girl. I dey beg you people. Manu sumina su sebita frache, with all due respect, it be slip of tongue. Mama no know that girl. It be slip of tongue. You understand me? Mama no know that girl. It be slip of tongue. Hey, it no be the mama where they talk. It no be that one. It be slip of tongue. I dey beg you. And Trippy say you don't like Kasua girl. Kasua girl, then they be the town girls. Kasua girls, then they be the town girls. Kasua girls, hey, you go get girl for Kasua. Hey, make you forget. You don't understand me. But see, make I tell you something. Number one, now where I understand the reason why number one, if he comes scam he take on our money. If number one, he tell Michi of all people, SM movement queen, say you go buy a trade fair, take chop shit and back at 3 sub. Say you my brother, this you know be serious issue. We know they here to come judge. Judge, it be God in work. It be God with the judge. My brother, you just picture this. Here it be for entertainment. Kwasi Asem TV. We get time where we dey talk a serious matter. You understand me? We get time where we dey talk serious matter. Where we get time where we dey come to talk things they go on. Make I tell you something. You just imagine, say you just imagine, say Becca dey here with this big booty and things. Where Shatamichi dey here. So you get Coke, then Fanta. I'm just giving you some picture. Oh. You understand me? You just imagine say Becca dey here, Coke. Where Michi dey here, Fanta. Where Namuan, Cola. Namuan he be Cola, Goro. Where he dey middle. You just imagine so you get Becca with this big booty. Where you get Michi for here, where you dey middle. You just imagine this kind of enjoyment. My brother, life is good. Just imagine. Just imagine, oh. Just imagine this kind of enjoyment. Hey, you just imagine. Becca dey here. See this Becca in shape. This big ass, this shape, this nice shape, he dey here. Where Michi dey here. Where you dey middle. You just imagine. Just sit down there, imagine this kind of combination. Life is good. Then tell you say get money. You figure say it be joke. Hey, Ghana, you know get money. The better ones, you know go chop them. Oh. You don't understand me? Bob Africa say Trade fair over swimming pool. Go carry trade fair. You see, Bob Africa, you did them. I post trade fair over swimming pool, trade fair over swimming pool. Trade fair over swimming pool. You see, say now Shatamichi should lose. Now Shatamichi did. Shatawale get broken heart because of Shatamichi. But if me, I be Shatawale, I go blame motherly love. That motherly love, no. It be she. Hey, so that time where Arabi come out, can they talk? So Shatamichi, you say, hey, Shatamichi, you if I know party, you know, Shatamichi. So you, Arabi be prince of SM, you go bring Arabi in baby mama, where you, then Shatawale, you chop Arabi in baby mama threesome. Eh? So you Shatamichi, you see, you go bring Arabi in baby mama. Where you then Shatawale, you chop Arabi in baby mama threesome. Hey, Shatamichi, who the white Juenisu? Eh? Shatamichi, where Juenisu? But Shatamichi said, if somebody the way you did, somebody go collect your boyfriend. It not be that motherly love. That motherly love girl, that she dey bore me pass. Eh? That motherly love girl, no. She dey bore me pass. They want some girl. Oba nenim dudu to say alata samna nenim to say twedie. Motherly love you know they see your face like Chinese ni abru obi otina bakatoi. Motherly love you can't date there. Your weak self they no fix them well for your top. Motherly love you go watch the video where you do. Go watch the wig where you do you wear. Your weak self where you wear they no fix them well for your hair top. You motherly love it they make you like you be beautiful girl biama. Onyefe. You know nice. Your weak self with your head top self. They no fix somewhere where you can sit and say you know secret. You the talk secret. Motherly love you. Ghana na efu na ye cut high na be baby Shatawale way chop you way. You can't tell people. Your father in friends or you chop them. Any house where you go, you break people them a marriage. That be what you are good at. You motherly love. Now Jimmy, akonyaka biat name, ashishe wig, aye makeups. Come wash your face, do video. Onya bemimi ya Shatawale voice. Come wash your face. Take do the video. Come out that wig. Then can't sit for live, do video, show people your real face. You motherly love. Then you did and then you did it then Jimmy you can't do live with and I Michi I say you if you know be Michi where she go down low you Michi should be your co-equal your level be Michi. You if you know be Michi where she go low where Ghana Danny Krofu you motherly love your level be Michi. Your face like Chinese Nyabruwa. You know Chinese Nyabruwa Otibakatui. Your face like that phone way Shatawale they do advert what? Infinity or Infix phone. Motherly love. Anywhere you go, you go spoil them. Yeah, come about also your bar. And your brother and Duna do this. They Duna saw me do this. You wake up and say you name your name Madeline or Madeline Love. Who give you that name Love? Jimmy, don't come do live video again. You know secret. Keep them to yourself. We will support Michi. Michi, me I want chop one pair. Michi, me I want chop only one. That be only one pair with me I want chop. If I chop one. You go feel go do any Michi don't give anybody again. Everybody way Michi this don't give that thing to anybody again. Link up every month. Kwa nini moga bobu nini moga you can't date at the time say make I respect myself. Nini moga almost saw no ye. No yawo ashawo you kaje Togo nini moga bo no yawo ashawo you kaje Togo keba no jino alegbena no o ale lord fe ne ya awi agbena kwa nu ni mo ga bo he e mo so mi abo ya no yo ni mo ga bo. Then they say you chop Michi. No, me I want chop Michi. I want chop some. Shatta Weasel Gina say you there you get Michi, you no go chop. You say again na more money. Again na more money way na more money. Where you go promise a trade fair. I dey go. If you dey you need more ga kwashia Togo you no awule Togo you maba post a picture no fia man that Togo girl where you go take I go come post in picture make everybody see am e mo gbe mi o yo massa you no busy na one we dey pray say you go jail you na one we dey pray say they go catch you jail you na one if they go inside I sure say I get some girl be self na one you chop am bagana girls pa so they because Michi say she dey plus Shatta Wale for me. Master, me what the thing they talk say me I don't know, master. You know be everything me I talk, you know be me I talk. You understand me? Felix, what's that? I see you. Me I know come say I dey come tell you people the thing they my word up. Dality Nation go watch am. Michi she be my girl. Michi I dey beg you anywhere you dey. Don't give the thing to anybody again. So confuse are the hustle for years. So confuse where we dey pass. Don't listen to Motherly Love. Motherly Love, we know Motherly Love. She time pass. That girl she no get record. Motherly Love or no in face like Chinese near bro. Make up some kwano. I bet nasi. She dey envy you. Michi Motherly Love she dey envy you. If be Motherly Love way she tell Shatta Wale things where they go on where you then Shatta Wale fight. But me, I go talk to Shatta Wale, make he settle things up. But I know be say, I go talk to Shatta Wale where you go back to Shatta Wale. Don't make Shatta Wale chop. Because you, Michi self, if Shatta Wale in big go. Shatta Wale in big. So if this matter I know the one talk, I dey go. If you know any girl where Shatta Wale chop, massa, you know get big guara, don't go there. If you know any girl where Shatta Wale chop, where you know say your guara no big, massa, don't try because you go disgrace yourself. The gang people get some song say, Ototo egoga, miungbe gagbale nie, mabla itako, koni ma yebo. If you began, go ask Gan man the meaning of this song. Ototo goga miungbe gagbale nie, mabla itako, koni ma yebo. The Gan people them are sung that. So that be what? So that be the thing way they side. So any girl where Shatta Wale chop, where you want chop, massa, you know say your guara no big. Don't go there. You figure say why Namwa no buy the tray fair give Shatta Michi. Namwa in guara no big. You go chop the thing, you know if you enjoy, you know if you do the work well. You understand me? You know if you do the work well. Where things to way no catch you, you know be say Namwa no go fit buy tray fair. Namwa go fit buy tray fair. But he go chop the Michi no. In guara no fit do the job well. That's why you no buy the tray fair. So that be the things we dey inside. Peace and love. I'm out. Motherly Love, she be liar. One love.